Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Latifa Azahara and my student number is 246121184. Good night everyone. Today I'm presenting you with the abstract of my research study into early childhood education. Its title is Exploring Creative and Language Skill in the Kindergarten Education. I will now outline the main elements as outlined is the research objective, the methodology, and the expected outcomes. And the first objective of the research. And the first question is, what is the research about? The research is on kindergarten early childhood education, precisely how imagination might be woven with language skills such as vocabulary and enrichment and storytelling to benefit children's cognitive, emotional, and social development. Explore how these elements are the fundamental building blocks for thinking, emotion, and interpersonal relationship. And the second question is, what do you want to know? That I want to know is the research aims to investigate the impact of the incorporation of creativity and language learning in kindergarten education, especially against traditional rule-based learning that aims for the standardized answer. It aims to understand how the combination can overcome some of the shortcomings in current school system, such as rigorous exploration and the expression opportunities, and provide ways to make learning more engaging and effective for young children. And the second is methodology, research design. The study employs, and the first, research design. The studies employs a descriptive qualitative research approach. One that describe and accounts for phenomena in depth through detailed observations and analysis, as opposites to numerical measurement of statistical testing. It facilitates a rich description of real-life education settings. And second, is subject or respondent. The groups vary from kindergarten pupils within different programs to teacher, and if so, parents within these educational settings. The study takes different groups of different within different types of kindergarten programs into the consideration in order to make comparisons. And the third is object of the research. The primary objects are kindergarten curriculum and interaction strategies, how creativity is blended with language skill. It's also discussion broader education system challenges like research limitation and cultural fraction in teaching. And the fourth is data or collected through a combination of qualitative methods, including observation of classroom life, interview with the teacher and the children, and document analysis from programs, document, and the lesson plans. Even so, the abstract teaches both qualitative and quantitative elements. The necessary design here is descriptive quantitative, with an emphasis on the in-depth insight from this method to collect experience and the third is expected result. Based on study framework, we expect to find the integration of creativity with language study positively impacts children's motivation, readiness to read, and creative problem-solving skill. More especially, children in the integrated programs are predicted to have 25 to 13% better communication skill and creativity problem solving compared to children in the typical role-based methodologies. Research also helped to find out challenges such as short containers and cultural difference, and they highlight the need for flexible, personalized interaction of personalized interaction. Overall, the result we like a good combination for kindergarten curriculum reform to prioritize creativity allowing children to be flexible, lifelong learners is a rapidly changing world. Okay, after the abstract, I'm now presenting to you the introduction to my research study. The first is I will tackle the silence points are alternated, the significance of the topic, main themes, their interaction, previous research, and the purpose of the research. The first is significance of the subject. Why is worth studying? First is kindergarten is the foundation of general child development, wherein thinking, emotional formation, and social growth are development through creativity and the language skill. And the second, creativity is source of innovation and adaptability in play, art, and problem solving, which enable children to adjust to a globalized and technologically driven world. And the third is the language skill, including vocabulary, stories, and communication, from the basic of literacy and the social interaction through which the children are able to communicate and interact with their world. Even with this advent and the fourth is even with that advantage much kindergarten education today focuses on repetitive memorization and high text testing rather than explorating learning, potentially discouraging creativity and language acquisition. This discrepancy is important because there tends to leave children ill prepared for adaptive shifting word so search into combination methods is crucial to achieving productive childhood oriented schooling. And the second is key terms. Key terms define the key words or the concept from your title. I'm sorry, the four my title. First, creativity refers to ability to generate a novel solution and ideas brought about by imagination in play, art, and problem solving. It makes children creative and resourceful learning. And the second, language skill encompasses language skill is the word learning, vocabulary, storytelling, and the development of communication competence. We are extremely significant in the literacy and the social interaction. The third is kindergarten education into the internal parents and childhood education. This is responsible overall development, being the foundation of mental, emotional, and social growth in early childhood. The fourth is integration, the process of merging imagination and language abilities in curricular to over a concordant and unified learning experiences that enhance overall development. Third, relationship between the key themes. How are those concepts connected? The first is language and creativity are mutually dependent as building blocks of the child development. Creativity over imaginative contents and language skill over expression and communication of such ideas. And second, by including them in kindergarten curricula, children can express and explore fairly beyond the limitation of traditional rule-blown instructional strategies concerned with memorizing. The third is the, this connection is essential in era globalization technology when survival skills are needed creativity the drivers in innovation, language knowledge enable social and cognitive adaptability and the two foster lifelong learning and emotional well-being. Fourth is prior research. Guide and summarize as I list three prior research my topic my topic. First, Kaufman and Beckhetto 2009. The study highlights how creativity is imagination in play and art enhances innovation and flexibility in your children, referring to its importance during early childhood education. The third National Early Literacy Panel 2008. The study highlights the importance of language ability, including vocabulary and story development, as the foundation of the literacy and communication, showing how they enable children to communicate effectively with their world. And the third, Pile et al. 2017 in the article points out problems in kindergarten learning where short gaps in research and high-tech testing drive towards memorization in place exploration play, which calls stiffly creativity and drive back language skill. And fourth is additional note. The introduction question of 2011 starting the integrated language creative program tag in the children with great expansive ability and the engagement, yet there is more to explore with roll out multicultural environments. And the fifth, the re-emphasize your research focus. What is your study focus or goal? The principal focus is to explore the language and creative skill relationship in the kindergarten classroom using Vygotski's social cultural theory, which aims at social interaction and imagination within cognitive development. The second, the objective is to define best practice for teachers from case studies of early childhood program and analysis of pedagogical intervention, ultimately proposing a child-centered approach that uses creativity as a take-off point for healthy language growth. And the third and the last, this is proposed in order to fill gaps in current schooling by calling for creative integrative methodology that foster competence and the lifelong love of learning. And this is my presentation of my research study. Thank you for watching and thank you telah mendengarkan presentasi saya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.